Managing an account review on Zelle can be crucial for ensuring your transactions are secure and your account remains in good standing. Follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Understand the review process. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Check your email and notifications. Look for any communication from Zelle regarding the review. They may send emails or notifications through the app detailing the reason for the review and any actions you need to take. Step 3. Gather required information. Prepare any necessary documentation or information that Zelle may request. This could include identification, transaction history, or proof of address. Step 4. Respond promptly. If Zelle requests information or clarification, respond as quickly as possible. Delays in communication can prolong the review process and may affect your account access. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive updates after a reasonable time, follow up with Zelle's customer support. They can provide the status of your review and any next steps you may need to take. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your account review on Zelle and ensure a smoother process. Stay informed and proactive to maintain your account's integrity.